about some cool stuff actually that Home Credit has started to venture into. But first, before that, of course, I wanted to refresh your memory about our purpose and the advocacy of the company ever since we were incepted. It's actually to teach people how to manage their money better. So, hindi masama magkautang, basta alam natin na kaya natin siya. So, to be able to manage your budget, to know when you should be getting a loan or an installment, and when you shouldn't. To be able to save, of course, and to be able to invest for the future. That's always been the advocacy of Home Credit. And we actually did this. We actually did this by launching a program called Wise Ako. This was an evolution of our previous financial literacy program. And before, when we used to do this offline in barangays and various corners in the Philippines, we actually expanded it to becoming an on-air program, releasing financial literacy tips to radio listeners. And of course, harnessing the power of digital to be able to reach more Filipinos. And in fact, through this program, combined on ground, on air, and online, we were able to reach 30 million Filipinos. So, and we hope we have made some small impact, in the way that they think about money matters. But beyond, of course, money, kumikita tayo, kumakayod tayo, we do something for our family. One of the things that is most important, of course, is thinking about our entire well-being, including physical well-being. So, we also wanted to make sure that this was something that was highlighted as important, not only for our customers, but also for our employees. So, of course, like he said, he lost 25 pounds or something. Lahat kami kailangan magpapayag. We want everyone to move, with confidence so that they can shape a better tomorrow. So last year, we did our first ever Takbo Para sa Life. I hope you guys were there. We had up to 10 kilometers run around February. It wasn't even last year, it was actually this year. We did, first of all, 10 community runs around, the various offices of Home Credit. And during the actual run itself, we were able to attract about over 2,000 runners, customers, employees to join us. And it was such a great feeling of community, a great feeling of happiness, and really like a bonding experience for everyone. So we decided, let's do it again. So we actually have Takbo 2026. O yan na, advance warning na. Start training already. Takbo Para sa Life, of course, has now evolved a little bit. Meron ng bagong logo para gumagalaw like a wave of energy. And we would also like to share that we were able to partner with one of the premier course running organizers in the Philippines, kung hindi nyo pa siya kilala, si Run Rio. So I'd like to acknowledge, of course, Coach Rio who's here, fresh from the City Marathon, I believe, and many more marathons to come. We are so honored to have him as our partner for this event. Lahat ng sikat na run, galing kay Coach Rio. So we hope to see you next year. Of course, bigger and bolder, more slots. Takbo tayo, February 1, 2026, MOA grounds. And not only in Manila, but we are also adding a Cebu leg on March 29 in City de Mare. So you can do both. But of course, where we have a 3 to 5, a 10 kilometer. Again, for those who haven't been running before, it's a start. For those who are running actively, it's a great way, of course, to bond with people, and of course, be more empowered, not only physically, but also financially, when you hear about, Home Credit. So beyond that, beyond the overall well-being, we were thinking, where else is the consciousness about financial management important. Of course, one of them is with the youth. Honestly, if I probably had, in academics or in school, learned more about saving, learned more about how credit works, learned more about how the due date was important to be able to build your credit standing, I would probably be, more, in an even better position now. But what we wanted to do is not only look at our current base of customers, but also look at who the future is bringing to us. And of course, these guys are going to be active in school and active in sports. So we would like to announce also our first ever support for an athletic team with the UST basketball team and the UST volleyball team. With, of course, and today with us we have Coach Bam and Christian Porter representing the UST basketball team. Thank you so much. So we are going to be a sponsor of the UST team for this year. Sana tuloy-tuloy na. I'm sure Coach Bam wishes that. And Z.
It doesn't happen to me very often that in the Philippines I need to stand next to someone who's taller than me. Not today, it's exceptional.
So, Coach, I know, actually, by the way, UST is also the host school for the UAAP this year. And it's opening already on September 19th. Would like to say a few words about how you guys are preparing, or are you ready?
First of all, I would like to thank Home Credit for having us here. And as mentioned, it's really special for UST to be partnered with Home Credit. Especially this year that we are hosting the UAAP, the opening ceremonies is going to be on September 19th at our home, the University of Santo Tomas and España, Manila. I hope we're going to be there to witness it, and we're going to play our first game on the 21st. And I heard we're going to be super excited because Home Credit is going to be there, and we're going to be very excited to present the team also that's going to represent and be part of this journey. So we're very thankful. And Chris, you want to add something as
I'd like to also thank Home Credit for the opportunity of partnering with UST. And I hope through the ups and downs of the season, their unwavering support will be with us throughout the season.
Thank you. We're going to be hearing that. Go Hosted and go Home Credit.
Okay, so bakit nga ba Hosted? Kahit hindi ako Hosted. This year all. So they are actually, I'm sure you guys know, the oldest university in Asia. Such a huge community. Of course, of students and alumni, marami in UST, in Home Credit, of course, and I'm sure among you. But this is not the only youth athletics that we are investing in. Okay, so beyond the UST partnership, we would also like to announce, of course, a deeper partnership also beyond the team. Of course, we also want to look, this is some data from Nielsen. Saan ba, ano ba pinakasikat na sports na pinapanood sa Philippines? Of course, we all know basketball, and that's why we have the UST team as a partner. Volleyball, also another up-and-coming. And ang dami pa lang nanonood ng cheer dance. Very highly competitive cheer dance. And we know that it attracts so many different demographics, ages. Everyone is really tuned in to watching these sports. So, why not go also into a broader sports marketing or sports sponsorship with a partnership with, of course, the number one sports channel powered by Signal. So we will be, of course, major sponsor of the season 88 of the UAAP Men's Basketball Conference. That's the one starting in September. Woo! As well as the Premier Volleyball League Reinforced Conference that's starting early next year. And some fans ng cheer dance. Okay, season 88, UAAP cheer dance competition. Home credit will be a part of it. And I'd like to acknowledge, of course, the presence of the Signal Vice President for Channel Sales, Eric Sinclair. Eric, thanks for joining us. Okay, we'll take a photo later, but we're very excited actually with this partnership because not only will we be able to support and empower the youth athletically, but also in UAP as well as at UST, we will also be able to impart our lessons on financial management, financial literacy, and getting ready for the future. And that's what we're working on with them with HomeCredit. Okay. So, just as a final word, it's not about just giving the people the tools, it's about helping them believe that they can do something greater. Okay, thank you very much. And I think we will do a photo op with everyone now, including